Our buddies at TVC, they prep the street. Listen to this. It ain't gonna be like last year. We're gonna put a little bit of a spicy tune-up in there. Hopefully we don't knock the tire off and get all through there. We're in big tire, watch for us.
Alright, we're back. Today we are in Pontiac, Michigan for RoadKill Nights. This week we have a really busy week. We have RoadKill Nights and Michigan Miles. It's going to be very busy. So, let's get into it.
Alright, number one's first, slide over here to Matt. He's going to knock him down. Left lane for car lane. You want GTR.
Every time I race here,
no car number, right? 60. Not this year. I thought you said no, we're going You got lucky, guys. You leave it on the wall. I'm Mike. We met, but we haven't met. Okay. All right. You're going with me next time? I know. Yeah. Oh, okay.
All right, so we just got done with chip draw. We got the draw. We got with a big supercharged Trans Am. We followed him in this morning. We've been hitting behind him all day. We didn't actually meet until just here at the chip draw. So fingers crossed. Hopefully, got the right tune-up to get around him.
has not broken into the board.
It sounds more like a motorcycle than anything.
We're loaded up. That's a wrap. We did RoadKill Nights. We made it to the top 8. First time I've ever done that. Car was running great. Well, we gave it a shot there in the final. I left a little late. I kind of looked down, looked up. It was time to go. Don't do that. I shouldn't have done that. But either way, car's turned around. We've loaded up. We're gonna head back to the hotel. Tomorrow starts Michigan Miles. It's gonna be a long week of racing.